In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to conduct an online proctored exam using Google Forms. This is a straightforward process that allows you to effectively administer exams remotely, leveraging the simplicity and accessibility of Google Forms. Now let's dive into the steps to transform your Google form into a secure online proctored exam. First, you will want to start by creating the form itself. You might already be familiar with Google Forms as a tool for surveys or quizzes, but here we're tailoring it specifically for exams. Head over to Google Forms on your web browser. Once you're there, choose a blank form to start from scratch or select an existing template that aligns with your exam needs. Remember, you want the format to be clear and concise for your students. Next, set up your questions. Google Forms allows you a variety of question types. From multiple choice to short answers, you have great flexibility. As you're setting these up, make sure each question is required to prevent students from skipping any. This ensures they complete each segment of the exam. Google Forms also allows you to add images or videos if you need to include visual aids, which can be particularly useful depending on your subject area. Now, let's talk about the settings you should adjust to enhance the exam's integrity. Navigate to the settings by clicking the gear icon at the top right corner. Here, you should collect email addresses, as it helps verify each participant's identity. Enable the Limit to One Response option to ensure each student can submit only once. For proctoring, it is also advisable to shuffle the question order, minimizing the chances of collaboration between students. Enable quiz mode by going to the Quizzes tab within the settings. This feature is useful because it allows you to assign points to each question and automate grading, which is particularly helpful for objective questions. While in quiz mode, decide if you want students to see their grades or feedback immediately after they submit or later on. Just be mindful of timing and communication with your students about when they'll receive their results. Let's address communication with your students regarding exam rules. It's essential to prepare ahead of time with guidelines on conduct during the exam. Such guidelines could include advising students to be in a quiet environment, how to handle technical difficulties, and the importance of academic honesty. Clear communication will help minimize issues on exam day and ensure everyone understands the process. Finally, once everything is set, share the exam link with your students. Use the Send button located at the top right to email the form directly or generate a link that can be shared through other communication platforms. Make sure it's sent well ahead of the scheduled exam time and encourage your students to verify they can access it without issues. And there you have it. By setting up your Google form with these steps, you're on your way to conducting a fair and efficient online proctored exam. Good luck, and thank you for watching.